Hello everyone, today I want to talk about birds. Birds are amazing creatures that come in different sizes and shapes. They are God's creations and are found in almost every corner of the world. Birds are known for their beautiful plumage, colorful feathers, and amazing singing abilities. They are also intelligent and have complex social structures. Birds are essential to our
Is that what you're
ecosystem
talking
as
about?
they help to control pests and pollinate flowers. They are also
Oh.
important for our air quality, as they help to remove pollutants from the atmosphere. They come in various shapes and sizes and can be found in different habitats such as forests, grasslands, deserts, and even in the city. One of the most fascinating things about birds is their singing abilities. They have sensitive ears and use their voices to communicate with each other. Some birds have complex songs that are used to attract mates or to warn other birds about predators. They also use their voices to show emotions such as happiness, sadness, and anger. Birds are also known for their amazing adaptations to their environment. They have unique structures such as wings, legs, and beaks that help them to fly, run, and eat their food. Some birds also have specialized skin that helps them to regulate their body temperature in hot climates or cold temperatures. In conclusion, birds are amazing creatures that come in different sizes and shapes. They are God's creatures and are essential to our ecosystem. They have complex social structures, amazing singing abilities, and unique adaptations to their environment. We should all appreciate and respect these amazing creatures for what they do for us. Thank you for listening.